In today's video, we are going to cover how to email statements to customers in QuickBooks. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online and opening the correct company file. If you manage more than one company, make sure the company name at the top matches the one you want to work in before you continue. From the left-hand navigation menu, go to Customers. This opens your customer list where you can find the account that needs a statement. If the list is long, use the search bar to locate the customer more quickly instead of scrolling through every name. Once you find a customer, open their profile. Before creating the statement, confirm that the email address on the profile is correct. This matters because the statement will be sent using the contact information saved for that customer. If the address is outdated or missing, correct it before moving on. Next, open the Customer's Actions menu or the related drop-down menu in their profile. From there, select Create Statement. QuickBooks will open the Statement Setup screen, where you can decide what kind of account activity you want to show. Choose the statement type that fits the situation. For example, you might use Balance Forward if you want to show the running balance carried into the period, or Open Item if you want the statement to list individual unpaid transactions. Select the option that matches the information you need the customer to receive. After that, choose the statement date range. You can select the standard period, such as the previous month, or enter a custom range. The dates determine which invoices, payments, credits, and balances appear on the statement, so check them carefully before you move forward. Now review the statement on screen. Look through the listed invoices, payments, credits, and the remaining balance to make sure everything shown is correct. This is the point to catch a missing payment, an incorrect date range, or any transaction that should not be included. When the statement looks correct, click Save and Send. QuickBooks will open the email window for the statement. In that window, verify the customer's email address again and adjust the subject line or the message if you need to. Keep the wording clear and relevant to the statement being sent. If you want a copy of the email for your own records, add your email address in the CC field. That gives you a copy of the message that goes out to the customer without changing the statement itself. Finally, click Send. QuickBooks will email the statement, typically as a PDF attachment, and it will also record that communication in the customer's activity history so you have a record of when it was sent. Thanks for watching. The customer statement has now been emailed from QuickBooks and recorded in the customer activity.